Good morning, Tashi Delek. They look so good. So the temple is in. Oh, we're at Timmy's. I just got chicken. Good morning, Tashi Delek. Welcome back to twinphosafamily. Today is our day 5 of our vacation trip in Korea, and today is our second last day. We are flying back tomorrow evening, and our plan for the second last day is we're going to the palace. Then from there to a place, actually I don't know the name, I don't remember the name, and from there I think to hanriver if time permits. So let's see. Let's get started our last day of vacation. So we are hanging out. We're gonna get something to eat first, and then we're headed to the town that we talked about. Alrighty, see ya, stay tuned. So I cannot say the name.
Are you ready?
We're at this restaurant.
Just you got what you tteokbokki 나해라. 그 tteokbokki spicy 아니 coffee 카레 아메리카노 나와. 괜찮아?
Coffee no. We're gonna get coffee and
cream sugar?
I'm gonna go with this
2
one.
cream 2 sugar?
Okay, our breakfast is here and it looks very good. This is my breakfast. Mangula's bagel with cream cheese, Mangula's latte. Aji and I got black coffee, Tashi got iced coffee. Aji has English muffin and egg. Tashi got spicy tteokbokki. And mini gimbap for the team. They look so good. Bon appetit.
She didn't say it. When I ordered picture, I picked.
So she's the artist. She's the one who painted all those. Okay, this street or this area is Insadong. So we just had a breakfast at Insadong. Now we are headed somewhere. Let's see. Yeah. And touch wood, the weather is very nice. Nice sunny weather. Love it. Already. This place has vibe like Tamil vibe.
남자가
I get Tamil vibe here.
어머니한테 이렇게 그래서
Sadece kendi acındaysa Palace direction. 진짜 재밌는데. It looks beautiful. So this is a Buddhist temple. In the middle of the city. Pretty. Bunta mikship in sir. Nice. Oh, 겹치. 성게 좀 된데 겹치. 꽃이야라. 와우, 왜 camera 야구 통구대라. 꽃이 무슨 듯도 먹고 겹치. Everywhere is colorful, like these are all white. Not sure, but I think these are for deceased loved ones. I think the white ones, and then the other ones are colorful ones. Yeah. These are all like lotus. These are like lotus shaped. Those are more like lantern shaped. And these ones, they're pretty. They have like Sangis picture on it. There are lots of it. So there is this guy who is in a rush to go to work, and behind him, we got Tim Hortons. We got our Timmy's here, Timmy's. Tim Hortons is here, yay! Hey. Okay, we just crossed from over there. This man, some kind of protest going on. I hope it works out. Now we're at Timmy's. Canadian coffee house. Wow, it's Canadian coffee house. Timmy. Moose. Regular. Can I also have a
Regular means single, one on one.
medium regular, please?
Yeah, regular single, single.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, we are in Tim Hortons now. Order is placed, and currently they are serving number 639, and we are number 821. So we are number 821. A21 Google here is the. Oh, A21 let's get A21 is the. A21 let's dine in like pick up churches. On che achigi passport ke jola Tashi ki passport ke jola ni bomla phadro so kunjung ile so
Timortons, Korea nation, 항상 시위지 대신 말해.
that's true.
I'm excited to try the double.
So this is the simi at least they are breakfast as a chagi cup in the tea da mariama aji ganjo pala ina bani de ina bani flavor ka pratiya so Tashi's iced coffee Aji's I don't know black and I know what is Lisha it's almost double mine's regular. Oh, so this is my regular coffee, Formula's double. So actually, the iced coffee is Aji. Tashi is also regular double. And Formula got honey croissant or something, and this one is donut, strawberry donut. Okay. Okay, so now we are almost at the palace. I think it's called Gyeongbokgung Palace. Middle of the city, but back of the palace I see mountains. I'm gonna show you. So this is the palace. They have preserved the old palace, all the architecture very nicely. Even though the city is very modernized, upgraded, the palace itself. Okay. I saw king and queen, prince and queen. Prince ki blue hungre, king ki red hungre. So that's the palace. So that's the prince and the queen and the soldier. Stand clear of the closing door.
Stand clear of your legs.
Do not hold the door, please.
Okay, we're at the palace, and I don't think we're going in. Yeah, because they're closed. I don't know why. Their holiday is done, but the palace is closed, so we won't be able to go inside, unfortunately. But good thing is because we were going to wear hanbok, but we decided not to at the very last moment. So that was a good thing, because imagine we wore a hanbok and then came all the way over here in hanbok, and then imagine the palace is closed, right? So I can still see from the outside already. It's beautiful. It's beautiful day. Beautiful and sunny day. Yeah. They wore hanbok and it's really glittery and pretty hanbok. Ah, so pretty. Tata nganzo aji nganzo thagira hanbok niel hanbok makan yabu chash. Nganzo imagine chida kyun nilera dik close ina khande zare ge. Leka khande extra ra. 그저 닝지 어디 괜네 사람 닝지. But they're looking pretty. They are looking pretty. Oh. So right now we are inside the main gate. I think that's the main gate. Can't really see properly. We are inside the main gate, and since the palace have many layers like of the gate until the king's chamber, so we are able to come up to here. And I think we can go inside this gate, look around here. But if we want to go further in,
Give me the address.
go further in, then I think we need to pay. I'm not sure how much, and we're also not sure if it's open today. So if we do get a chance to go in, we'll go in. If not, then this is it. But it's nice. It's nice and it's fascinating. Because their king used to live here at one point.
Hanriver paradise.
Yeah.
Hanriver bridge.
Alrighty. And our plan is, I think from here we'll go for lunch. Oh, sorry. From here we're going straight to Han River. That's the plan, and eat something there. That's it. Alice is there. Alrighty, so we are done with the palace visit, and now we are going to the subway. And I think, I'm not sure, I think the subway is connected from here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So the palace is called Gyeongbokgung Palace. Getting dark in there. Okay, so we are out of the station. Exit number 2. We got off at exit number 2. And look at the beautiful view. Nice. So we are at Han River, and they want to get something to eat first. So we are going to Mom's Touch. I think we are checking out Mom's Touch because Achi is a vegetarian. So if they have something that Achi can eat and that she likes, so we might just eat something here, because for us, since we eat anything, it's fine with us. Let's go check out. Ready. Let's see. Mom's Touch. 아지 vegetarian 돼. 아니 아지 vegetarian 도 아지.
Actually, that was the plan, but it's okay. Whatever is easier for you guys.
아지야, 내가 더 샤지 보이네 아지를 자우도 아니.
Okay, let's go.
So we're gonna go check something else.
추천을 드리면
추서다 두 발레.
I like to go to 편의점 because 사과에
Okay.
hot water, Cokes.
Okay.
Alrighty, we're going down towards the water. Down towards the water.
편의점 여기가 아니라
편의점은 갈래.
Convenience store. Vendors into the door. We'll find something to eat from one of those vendors.
Oh my God, Kang Giri's song playing. 헤어지지 못할 여자 떠나가지 못할 남자 사랑하지 없는 우리 그래서 노노노노노. So we're at 7-Eleven by the river. 7-Eleven by the river. They have corn dogs and chickens and stuff. Let's just buy anything. I mean, they specifically go mara. Ani ondira sa shota. Kora ke dunche mara. Dele do. Sorry, dele do chickens. They have oh, kimchi, the radish, the. I think these eggs are all cooked. Yeah, you just have to peel in it. But I think they're cold. It's just that we trial gimbap, triangle gimbap, mousse cake, and lots and lots of noodles already. So I got a water for my drink. Momolaga, what did you get? Aloe vera. Anita, you got Sprite in it. Fries and chicken. Yes, Tashi's getting soda. She is getting a soda. The triangle kimbap nzada khane ha stress ngamro medora.
네 드셔. 비빔 참치 마요네즈, 치킨 마요,
Are seafood.
삼겹살.
Pork haji. And what the next thing?
네 드셔. 스파이시 치킨 드셔.
Oh,
링아 트라이 치아니.
I know. Try chicken to the yang khare tilchida na shimu mena thola to feel cheja. Should I try this? You know what? I changed my mind. So you can get egg. You can get egg. Ale. I think I'm gonna go for a chicken. I think I'm gonna go with the chicken. Let's see. Which one? This one is too big. I think I'm gonna eat one of these.
프라이 뭔가 저 김도 있어요.
The chudeki is like the noodles are good. The drink someone here. The last.
야, 가서 찾아내야 그 스파이시 세이메 레그램스. 가서 요래요. 누가? 이게 이거 공을 내려도 kinda 매라 임바. 아들 같은 애는 먼저 보충 그 놀이공원에서 엄마는 추사하다 깔래 돌아 들리 킨도에.
어제 내가 사 하는 쿠팡 필요해요. Okay. Omla, are you excited for your lunch?
야,
Ramen outside. Nada, I wanna start a ramen. So Mount Aguda feel so I just grabbed the chicken and water.
오늘 살아 얘는 진짜 잠
Pakpai, umalra. Tukura, dodo, kaji 57 seconds. Kyo kaji 1 minute. Tande lang mo to.
서 와서 네팔에 인디스 오라.
Nepal la indi tsueyo.
네팔라 건다. 산돌라.
Toronto liri tsueyo because the convenience store dos tsura indi dos. Ani gizi di late with the open chita pari donge indi yora. Yago dungi yora.
내가 토핑스 믿어. 나도 토핑스 셔.
Kodo gizi like. Mare.
캔스라 수 비즈니스 셰나 디 비즈니스 투 알아.
Idea yago do dai no.
내가 붙다.
Convenience store doji che. Ande da namsarash. Already. Once the nam shi yagola che, river chala che. And Tashi is enjoying over there. 내랑 사셔. Hello. Noodle is almost done. Their noodle is almost done. It's 3 p.m. Our second last day. Tomorrow around this time we are leaving the hotel for tomorrow. Yeah, 3 p.m. we are leaving Seoul for airport, and we're gonna make the most out of it since we only have like from now we only have 24 hours in Seoul. 어머나 그냥 대대대 니만 잘 그렇게 고요.
네, 너무 나오세요.
아, 저쯤 돼. 그냥 가서 동만 나보세요. 저기 안 될라. 하실라 뭐라 저기 안 될라 뭐라 캐기도 송것도 야 니만 못 송것도. Pesido malada. Nyama to shikyo mara pesido malan. ठीक है. मरे दीदू गांव से जोक लाने के. Remember उल्टो क्या क्या जोक लाने pesido mal आशिया. Already, so maybe. So this is Tashi's ramen. That's I don't know. तो कुछ है बोलो ला egg salad filling दोस्तरा. Oh, and then Tashi has a triangle gimbap and chicken wrap. Wamula kaji. Noodle looks good. I think this is rice. I just got chicken. And Aji got what? That fries? Aji got fries and she went to look for gimbap. Yeah. Aji went for the mini gimbap roll.
Really? And chopstick extra door. Now to play lemon.
Alrighty. So my chicken. Yeah.
라면도 달리는 친구다.
Not bad, right?
It's actually good.
You guys want to join?
그 라인들 샤만 넣지.
Food, don't want
Aji, yeah, no meat, no fish lemon.
to.
Yeah, I just pull this out. 그래서 chicken. 그렇지.
하나 먹는다.
이자면 chicken 볼
그냥 싫어서 있는데 하자.
나 비디오를 했던 진다고 사람 베개 자식이. 보이죠, chicken. This 파사보도. 전부도. 파사보도 chicken. 보이죠. chicken rice다 된자 뭐. 단하게 네 진주다 단지 디사게.
No, I'm good.
Spicy da. I actually like it. It's spicy. The coating is spicy.
진짜. 너무 맛있다. 예, 너무 맛있어.
네 전부다. 나이스.
아니 이게 니락 벌려고 가지들 chicken. And then this is seasoned. I don't know what are the seasonings, but let's try. Dida de Doritos ya this ngam Doritos coating chicken taste like
아니야.
na 그래서 추도 났던 거 같죠. 네, 저 싫어. 직권. 아, 근데 진짜 된다. 카사오 넣지?
No, 먹어.
신부도.
꾸준한 버터 주시고.
고팅 카사오 신부도 짜시다. 김치. 아치, 아질라데.
No,
什么不是？
你偶尔就是个，拜不的。名字的，这些人年的，下去参观人行吧的。你喜欢过过去。
This is actually very good. All the coatings spicy. Good. I don't like sweet chicken.
이런 거는 내 간사. 저 피크닉 저 field
Nice.
사람들과 we got in red chairs.
No, we can go and no. 살아 앉을 데가 돼.
apple vision.
Yeah. 같이 치킨 주세요. 꿀시야.
아니야.
식사. 꿀시 내 춘주다 네 강대야. 꿀시.
내가 지금 한 명이 깨놨어.
사다.
소소 깨놨어.
신부도 내 말서 가서 오다 돼. 꿀시. 자. 일로. Okay. See you. 당 안주란. 자살아. We're going by the hanriver. People are relaxing by the water. Oh my God, it's kind of windy here. Good thing we have all of us. All of us have extra layer. Does she also have extra layer? It's in his bag. So all of us have extra layer. This is the infamous hanriver. Okay, let me show myself. So that's the bridge, and this is the hanriver. And I need to move my gimbal down. Oh, it's windy. It's windy. 아주 nice moves. 룽보디 정모들 아니라 기부디 너. 네.
얘는 조기였죠.
그래서 내가 relax feel 지기 얘기했더라. 그게 bridge도. hanriver.
level पे high तो तो चुपा बदल गई सब
알레 나 라인 보드다. Today our outing is more like, I think, relaxing kind of outing so far. Evening we will do some shopping, so our legs are gonna be a little bit busy. Otherwise, nice, relaxing time.